I'm taking over. Rebecca doesn't know that I'm vlogging. She doesn't know that we're doing this, but we are doing a little decorating for Rebecca's birthday. We're okay. We're okay. We're gonna put this in front of her door. Look at this. Happy birthday. We have balloons on the floor. There's balloons on the floor, and there is a little party hat on our table, and then we have a happy birthday banner, and then we just put streamers in front of her door, so when she opens her door, she's like, oh, it's my birthday. You have anything to say to Tilly? We're gonna get you so good. Yeah, okay. Also, it's 1:15 in the morning. Hi. So I know you're usually the one vlogging, but it's your birthday and I took over. We decorated. Anyways, I just thought this hat was really funny. You have no idea we did this, as Delaney just explained. You have no clue. Ha, because you go to bed first. Yeah, so gotcha. Happy birthday. Oh. Yay. Hope it snows. Love you. Good night. How do they do this? Good morning. It's November 12th, 8 o'clock. It's my birthday. I'm 20 years old today. I literally just woke up. My phone went off and it woke me up, and it was like 2 minutes before my alarm went off, and I was like, okay, I guess I'll just get up anyway. And I checked my phone. I had 9 happy birthday texts from friends. I was like, oh my gosh, I love my friends. And some of them were from like people I wasn't expecting to get like a happy birthday text from, which I think are so sweet. Like I got one from a high school friend that I haven't talked to in a little bit. Not even like a little bit, probably like months, close to like a year. And it was really unexpected and really sweet. And I got one from one of my other really close friends, but I just didn't think that they would tell me happy birthday. And so that was really nice. But I checked my weather app. That's the important thing. I checked my weather app as soon as I got up, and it said it was snowing. And I haven't looked out my windows yet, but we're gonna look. Okay. Just jumping out of bed. Here we go. Oh, I just got another one. Okay. Let's opening my window. Oh, and you can't really see. Oh my gosh. Snow on the cars. Y'all, I got a snowy 20th birthday. I got what I wanted. Thank you, God. Oh, trying to open. Oh, and it's snowing right diggity dang now. You can't tell, but I can see it with my own eyes. Look at these cars. Yo. I got a snowy 20th birthday. I'm gonna get dressed right now, and I'm going outside. I just opened my door to this. So, streamers, and there's balloons. Oh. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to like, oh. Happy birthday, there's balloons all over. A giant party hat. I am in love. Hold on, we're putting this on right now. Okay, I kind of like thought it was weird that my roommates were all like still up. This is huge. But yeah, last night it was like 12:50 when I finally went to bed. And I was surprised that one of my roommates was still up, like just sitting in my friend's room. And I was like, so suspicious. So I had my intuitions, and my intuitions are right, but I forgot about those until I opened my door. And I was like, oh yeah, I forgot. I thought they were gonna do this. So that's so sweet. They're all asleep right now. I love you, roommates, since you probably don't see this until I put this on YouTube. Huh. Okay, I've changed my outfit many times because I want to have a nice birthday outfit. Here's my hair out of the braids. This is what I wanted. Thank you, God. I think it's still snowing. It is. It is indeed. So I've got, we'll do an OOTD. Why don't we? I have the camera. OOTD. Yeah, my usual jewelry, but my thrift store crew neck with a shirt underneath. 2 pairs of leggings on, it's cold, and then my Uggs, and you can't see them, but I've got my seal socks on, so thumbs up. Okay, I put the hat and the scarf and the jacket on. I can't even really zip up my jacket or move my arms too much because it's so tight because I have so much clothing on. Like, it's hard to bend my arms. But we're gonna go. Delaney just knocked on my door. Here's a better view of all the stuff. I should have gloves on. Oh wait. Oh my gosh. Yo, that was slippery. Oh gosh. Now the won't close. Holy poop. That Christmas tree. It looks like Christmas. Oh my gosh. It was really windy though. I don't know, can you see the snow? I don't think you can. But it's legit snowing right now. This is insane. Happy birthday to me! Like, classes are gonna get canceled, and you know, the snow's not gonna stick. But you know, I prayed, and that's the thought that counts. Oh my gosh, there's just snow being blown in my face right now. There's snow on my scarf. A little bit. Oh, you can see a little bit. There's all my footprints. Okay, we're gonna go back inside before my hands fall off. Yay! Oh, there, you can see the snow. Yay, Kendall. Okay, walking to class, and it's snowy.
It's not ice snow, guys.
It's real snow. It's real, like, fluffy white snow.
Is there a lot of it?
Look at the grass.
No. But
oh gosh, one just landed right in my eye.
Yeah.
And it's only November 12th.
It's a birthday miracle.
It is a birthday miracle. I posted on my Snap story last night. I said, if y'all real, pray for a snow day for my 20th birthday.
We might not actually have a snow day, but it's snowing.
Hey, it's a snow on a day.
Yeah.
I consider that a snow day. Look at that bush.
Wait, we have to go this way.
Hello, everyone. First class of the day down. How you feeling, Delaney?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling cold. Can't feel my nose. It's gonna be a good day.
Got a little something on your hat.
I do.
Look at my feet. Snow. Still snowing. You can see a little bit. Oh, there you go. Now you can see it. Okay, y'all. We just found where to go. Oh, there it is. The most perfect snowflake I've ever seen is Delaney's hair. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's God's creation. Also, here's Kendall. Oh. Thank you. Welcome. Love you.
Hi.
It's 80 degrees and raining in Florida.
Well, it's negative 80 degrees and snowing here. They have Native American tacos today. It's a really, really great day to be Bekah. Really great day. What are you thankful for? Soul friends. That one's for you, Delaney. Hope you see that later. That's so cute. Oh, see you, blue. All snowy. This part has not been touched. I'm just walking to class now. I have like some time before I have to be there because we ate lunch kind of fast. But yeah, I don't know. Probably just sit, be on my phone. I should do homework, but I'm not going to because it's my birthday. Hi, Paytime. Hi! Happy birthday!
Hey,
I love you! Aww.
you want to see Rebecca?
Oh my god.
That's a didgeridoo.
Can you play me happy birthday on the didgeridoo?
Do you like it? Because I love this weather.
I like the snow. As long as it's snowing, it's worth it. It's Monday, my dudes.
I hate myself, Delaney. Precious cargo. Are we at Precious Cargo or Seeking Sanctuary? I'm done with classes today. Yay! Got my party hat on. Birthday just keeps going, everyone. Y'all need to see this. That's Kendall trying to clean off her car. Oh my gosh. I heard her yell. She goes, "Oh my gosh!" And I looked out my window. Of course, it's Kendall. Okay. What, are you over there? Gosh. Okay. Me and Delaney are, oh golly, look at all that snow. Okay, anyway, me and Delaney are running through our apartment complex. Oh poop, she's like gone. Wait for me. To meet my friend's new cat that she just got. Oh gosh. Look both ways. All right, no one's gonna die today. It's gonna be a stupid video of me running. Oh wait, we found it. So yeah, she got a new cat. She still has Halloween decorations. Okay, Monica. Here we go. Oh my gosh. It's a cat. Hello, dear. Happy birthday.
Well, you know what? Go buy some more. I'll approve the overages.
This is literally one of the sweetest cats ever.
Oh, yeah. Also,
I would cry.
Happy birthday.
I would legit cry. Oh my gosh.
And he slept with you.
well, that's not what I'm saying. Just, find it. Pretend that your jobs depend on it.
He's so gentle.
Love you. You just stole the birthday girl's food. Curse you. Until your next birthday.
What vlog is
My vlog.
For her birthday.
Oh. So some crazy stuff just went down. Basically, long story short, my friend called me. Hi, RJ. And now we have 2 free Thunder tickets. We're going to a Thunder game now, and it starts at 7. It's currently 5:40. So. And then we got free T-shirts. This is all happening very fast, and I don't know what to do.
Go to the game.
We're gonna have a good time. Can't wait.
Cat butt?
Okay. Delaney's out there scraping some ice because we realized, oh, if we're gonna go to this game, we gotta drive my car. And if we're gonna drive my car, we gotta get rid of the ice. Wow, look at her go. What a monster. Yeah. It's like 6:07. It's gonna be good. But, oh wow, she cleaned that off nice. Y'all pray that I don't know. Hi.
Any minute now, and I don't think they can hear you.
Hi! We made it. Look how close I am to Westbrook. We are in like, there was only one row behind us. We were at the very, very top. But they were free tickets, so I mean, worth it. We're gonna see how this goes. It's not my birthday anymore. Me and Delaney went to the Thunder game. We had a good time. But I currently have balloons all in my room.
Yeah.
The game was really fun. It was really cold, but everything went really smooth. It was a good game. Had fun. I've said that a lot. Yeah. Came back, watched an episode of Glee, got ice cream. I don't know. It's just been a really good birthday. Everything just worked out, you know? I wrote an essay when I came back too.
And I got my eyebrows waxed today, so they look really weird.
I'm gonna close this out. This is probably a really long video, honestly. Probably is.
You're
So
no longer a teenager.
nope. This is my celebration of the end of my adolescence. I am now kind of an adult. But if you made it to the end of this vlog and you're watching this, who the poop
Give
are
this
you?
video a thumbs up.
Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Yeah, who the poop are you? Why'd you waste your time watching this? Unless you're me. Hi, self, if it's me. Because I'm probably the only person that'll watch this. Aw. But, wow, my mustache, hello. Well, I was going to say something else. Oh, yeah. Also, Stanley died today. Sad. That was the only sad part about my birthday. Everything was really good except for that. Russell Westbrook, his birthday was today, too. I didn't get to see him play because apparently he has like a twisted ankle or something. But we're still birthday buddies. Russ. I'm gonna go. Good night.
Good night.
Peace out.